Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share certain pregnancy essentials that really helped me through my pregnancy. I had my first pregnancy experience recently, and these were certain items that were really helpful in my pregnancy phase. So I thought of sharing my experience with you guys. So before starting, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I share a new video. Also, I'm going to share multiple videos on pregnancy. This one is going to help you in your pregnancy phase, then we'll talk about postpartum, then we'll talk about newborn essentials and etc. So if you are the one looking for these kind of videos, or somebody in your friends family is looking for these kind of videos, please share and subscribe to the channel. So now, without any wait, let's dive into it. So the very first thing that comes to our mind when we talk about pregnancy are stretch marks. Stretch marks are going to be there. Yes, they are going. So you should be prepared from the beginning and start applying a nice oil that keeps your skin moisturized, or a body butter. The one that I was using is from the Mom's Co. This is their body butter and stretch mark oil. These two really helped me throughout my pregnancy phase, but I started applying it a little late, so I still have a few marks on my belly. But these are really good products. This one is a very essential product in your pregnancy. So when it comes to pregnancy, your comfort throughout the day is very important. So for that, we need to spend in good quality clothes, also good and comfortable undergarments. So bigger size bra is what you need, because any day your breast is going to increase in size. For that, we should spend in good quality bras. I have ordered one from Zivame cotton fabric, which I think is the most comfortable fabric. Also, this is a feeding bra. This has this button on top. You can just open it, use it to feed your baby in your postpartum phase. So this is going to serve both the purposes. Also, this is a little bigger in size than the size that I used to wear, because as you know, breast is going to increase, so it's good to invest in a product that is going to help you throughout your phase. So after good quality undergarments, let's talk about good outfits that will help you during your pregnancy phase. They should be comfortable, stretchable to adjust your growing belly. For that, let's invest in good brands that actually cater to these needs and are specially designing clothes for pregnant women. Came across is Momsoon Official. So they are actually curating products that help us to feel comfortable during that phase when we have the growing belly, stretching body, growing breasts. So investing in brand like that is really helpful, and I think is a good investment for any woman going through that phase of life. Actually, it's the most beautiful phase of life. So I've also spent on the leggings. These are the maternity leggings. These have the stretchable bands attached on the top of it to cover the belly area. These are also very stretchable. This is a must have if you are pregnant or you're planning your pregnancy. This is really very comfortable, feels really very nice. You can carry this the whole day. This is really a must also have. I've also ordered a scarf, so you can actually use this as a feeding scarf once you deliver your baby. This is also from Momsoon Official. Little wintry fabric. It's available in this fabric only, but it's very comfortable. This have buttons in the front side, so you can just open the button, cover it up and just put it on, so you don't have to hold it all the time you're feeding your baby. Also, you can just wear it and style it. Generally, this can go well with all the Western outfits, even if you are in your pregnancy phase. So after all of this comes a really important thing, because nighttime sleep is also very important, but it's difficult. So this is a U-shaped pillow. You can see the shape-shaped pillow. I ordered this from Rabbitat. Very good quality, and also this cover can be removed and washed whenever you want. This is really helpful if at nighttime sleeping routine. Also, this can be used as a feeding pillow once you deliver your baby, so this is also a good investment. So after this, there are certain other things that we should all be taking care of while we are in our pregnancy phase. First, we should be absolutely nicely hydrated all the time, so keeping your water bottle close to you all the time is very important and essential. I still have my water bottle. I've already delivered my baby, but I still hold my water bottle by my side. And also, even if you're not pregnant, this is really important. It makes you feel good, hydrated, and also you have a super nice skin if you drink water nicely. Also, keeping up with a good diet is very important. This helps you with your growing belly and your body changes. Also helps to provide the correct nutrients to your baby while your baby is growing inside you. So these things are really important. So with this, the correct amount of exercise or walking regularly for a few minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, so whichever time you can spend in that is also a good thing that you should do for your body to keep it healthy and moving and keeping it in action. I know during this lockdown we do not really have much options to go out, step out. We don't feel safe, which is absolutely fine. So you can just continue to have a nice walk around your area, or maybe if you have roof access, you can just go to your roof and just have a 10-minute walk, which can also be very beneficial at this point in time. So last but not the least, I also downloaded a What to Expect app. That is a specialized pregnancy app. Helps you keep a track of your pregnancy week by week, helps you to check the progress, helps you to know the symptoms that you might experience in coming weeks. Also, it helps you to know how your baby is growing inside your belly, in your womb. So that app is really helpful. It was helpful to me to keep a track of things. It might be helpful to you. These were certain list of things that I thought are really essential while we are going through our pregnancy phase. So I hope this video was informative and helped you, and might help your family or friends, whoever need this kind of information. Please share it with them. Also, I'll be coming up with more such informative and interesting videos on maternity, postpartum, and newborn essentials. So if you are interested, please subscribe to the channel and keep watching this space for more. Thank you.